Question. The measure of how efficiently the assets resources are employed by the firm is called dash. Liquidity ratio, leverage ratio, activity ratio, profitability ratio. Answer option C, activity ratio. The measure of how efficiently the asset resources are employed by the firm is called activity ratio. Activity ratios are a category of financial ratios that measure a firm's ability to convert different accounts within its balance sheet into cash or sales. Activity ratios are a category of financial ratios that measure a firm's ability to convert different accounts within its balance sheet into cash or sales. The following is or are the current liability or liabilities. Options: bills payable, outstanding expenses, bank overdraft, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Bills payable, outstanding expenses, bank overdraft are the current liabilities. Current ratio equal to options: quick assets by current liabilities, current assets by current liabilities, debt by equity, current assets by equity. Current ratio equal to answer option B, current assets divided by current liabilities. Current ratio equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. Current ratio is a comparison of current assets to current liabilities calculated by dividing your current assets by your current liabilities. Question. Liquid or quick assets equal to options: current assets minus stock plus work in progress, current asset plus stock plus work in progress, current assets plus stock plus work in progress, current asset plus work in progress minus stock. Liquid or quick assets equal to answer option A, current assets minus stock plus work in progress. Liquid or quick asset equal to current asset minus stock plus work in progress. Lower the debt equity ratio. Option: lower the protection to creditors, higher the protection to creditors. It does not affect the creditors. None of the above. Answer option B, higher the protection to creditors. Lower the debt equity ratio, higher is the protection to creditors. Creditors usually like a low debt to equity ratio because a low ratio less than 1 is the indication of greater protection to their money. Question. A higher inventory ratio indicates option: better inventory management, quicker turnover, both A and B, none of the above. Answer option C, both A and B. A higher inventory ratio indicates better inventory management and quicker turnover. Next question. Return on investment ratio ROI equals options: gross profit by net sales into 100, gross profit into sales by fixed asset into 100, net profit by sales into 100, net profit by total assets into 100. Answer option D, net profit by total assets into 100. Return on investment ratio ROI equals net profit by total assets into 100. Return on investment is a performance measure used to evaluate the efficiency of an investment or compare the efficiency of a number of different investments. Return on investment is a performance measure used to evaluate the efficiency of an investment or compare the efficiency of a number of different investments. A low return on investment ratio indicates ROI. A low return on investment ratio indicates options: improper utilization of resources, over investment in assets, both A and B, none of the above. Answer option C, both A and B. A low return on investment ratio indicates improper utilization of resources and over investment in assets. Sales expenditure budget is prepared by estimating the expense or expenses of dash, advertisement, market analysis, salesman's salary, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Sales expenditure budget is prepared by estimating the expenses of advertisement, market analysis, and salesman's salary. Budgeting is difficult to apply in the following cases. Options: products subjected to rapid changes, job order manufacturing, uncertain market condition, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Budgeting is difficult to apply in the products subject to rapid changes, job order manufacturing, and uncertain market condition. A master budget consists of dash, sales budget, production budget, material budget, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. A master budget consists of sales budget, production budget, and material budget. The master budget is the aggregation of all lower level budgets produced by a company's various functional areas and also include budgeted financial statements, a cash forecast, and a financing plan. The accounting process involves recording options: quantifiable economic event, non-quantifiable economic event, all of them, none of them. Accounting process involves recording. Answer option A, quantifiable economic event. The accounting process involves recording quantifiable economic event. An accounting event is a transaction that is recognized in the financial statement of an accounting entity. Question: in accounting, an economic event is referred to as cash, bank statement, transaction, exchange of money. Answer option C, transaction. In accounting, an economic event is referred to as a transaction. An accounting event is a transaction that is recognized in the financial statements of an accounting entity. In accounting, a transaction includes such things as recording the depreciation of an asset or payment of dividends. Accounting events can be either external or internal.